Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact data range you want to analyze. This ensures the trend line fits the intended points. Once done, insert a scatter or line chart, because those chart types show best fit behavior clearly. Make sure to tidy axis labels and delete any empty series that can skew results. You're setting the baseline so the regression calculations Excel will use are accurate and meaningful. This saves time when you add and interpret the trend line next. You now add the trend line by right-clicking the data series and choosing Add Trendline. Pick linear for straight relationships, exponential for multiplicative growth, or polynomial for curves. Once selected, set polynomial order carefully. Higher order fits more wiggles but risks overfitting. Make sure to check Display Equation on Chart and display R-squared value so you can quantify fit. Also use Forecast forward/backward and set Intercept when you need. You finish by confirming the R-squared and equation to interpret how well the trend line matches your data. A low R-squared suggests you should try a different model or transform variables. Once satisfied, copy the trendline equation into cells so you can compute predicted values directly. If you don't see the trendline option, make sure the series contains numeric values and isn't a combined or stacked chart type. Converting to a scatter or line will restore the ability to add a trend line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.